Hey everybody, Abdullah here with you again. Today we're going to discuss a couple of different investments that I've made over the past couple months, and that's IPOB and IPOC. They've recently come on the news. Just today it was announced that IPOB is going to be merging with Opendoor, which is a real estate company. They take part in the buying and purchasing of homes from individuals that are ready to give you a cash offer for your home. Makes the process of buying and selling homes much easier, and you're able to make the purchases online, and not in person. In general, right now the real estate market is a person to person type of transaction. In this case, you're able to quickly make it with the company with little to no hassle. This investment is a great opportunity. I was just looking into some of the statistics of the merger. It's currently being priced at about 1x of sales, which is at a steep discount compared to most companies and most technology companies that you see. Only 1x sales, and they're expected to be able to at least double their sales by in the next couple of years. So we're looking at potentially 0.5x of sales in 2023. In addition, the company is expected to be able to, with the additional money that's coming from this merger and this IPO, they're able to go into markets they haven't been able to. Currently, they're in about 13 to 15 markets around the U.S. They're able to expand to additional markets and be able to get at least a 4% return on each of those markets to be able to potentially increase their revenue up to $50 billion. So this is a significant acquisition that's happening. Obviously, it's part of Social Capital, which is Chamath's firm. They have this IPOB and IPOC, which are the two additional SPOCs that he's created after his initial SPOC that was successful, which was Virgin Galactic, which currently has about a 70% return for its investors. I've been invested in IPOB since about mid-July, when it initially went public. Got in at about 11 to $12 in that investment. Currently, it just rose today about 25%, so now it's trading at about 16, and I still think it's probably at a discount based off of the underlying asset they purchased, which is Opendoor, and the likely growth that Opendoor will see. Chamath himself was saying that he only invests in things that he thinks potentially has a 10x return. So in this case, this is something he believes in, and he thinks something that has a 10x return, and he's been a tremendously successful in allocating assets in his portfolio as well as his firm. So it's something to keep an eye on. In addition, IPOC is another one that he's looking to find a target for. As you can see here, he's looking for a target in the technology sector, but for a company outside of the United States. It seems like he's been able to close deal pretty quickly. IPOB went public around March or April, and he's already closed a deal. So it's a potential that he's able to close on this third SPOC as well. So it's something to keep an eye on. It's at a discount right now. I think it's trading about $10, $11 currently. So you definitely want to check it out. So these are a couple additional recommendations that I'm making. Unfortunately, it's tough to be able to make videos to highlight all of my recommendations. I'll try to come up with a platform to be able to share my recommendations more easily with you all. But this is one that I would keep an eye on, especially IPOC, where it's trading pretty low, as it went public at $10 and is currently still trading at 10 to 11. So you'll be able to get a lot of value if a deal is announced for IPOC. So these are my two recommendations. A lot of news coming out, a lot of IPOs this week. Stay tuned. I'll try to keep announcing my recommendations and making videos. As always, make sure to subscribe, like, and put your comments below.